Hey, what's up, AJT fam? We're going to go ahead and do our recap for today. But before we get into that, I want to let you guys know that your trading success, it may feel like it's being delayed to you, but it's not denied. All right. Even though everything may be looking and feeling like your success is denied, it's not. Everything that you've gone through and everything that you still may be going through, it's just a delay. It's preparing you for the success that you'll realize in the future. All right, providing that you're on the right path. Now, if you're not on the right path, you'll never find it. You'll spend the rest your whole trading life in that storm. All right, but this is preparing you. Okay, you have to be prepared for that success. The market has a way to amplify these struggles in your mind. And this is what causes that storm of emotions to develop within us. Now, the storm can only take you out if you're not prepared. If you're not prepared and you panic, and it triggers fear. So you have to be prepared for these storms that's going to come. You can't eliminate them. You have to remain steadfast in your convictions. You got to stay steady as you navigate these storms. Don't try to navigate around them. Okay, your growth is in the storm. Okay, your growth is in the storm. I can't make it any plainer than that. So, one of the things that I do, is I try and help you navigate these storms. Okay, and that's what we're going to be doing. This whole series next year that I've got, if you're not a member, I can help you navigate it. That's what I do. All right, it doesn't matter what strategy you trade. It doesn't matter anything. If you have there's only a handful of strategies. People add whatever they want to add to it, change the name, call it what they want to, but they're all the same basic strategies. Okay, you're either trading breakouts, breakouts or breakdowns. You're either trading trend continuations, or you're trading reversals. That's it. There's nothing else. So in order to be successful, you have to have the right mindset. You got to have everything. You got to be prepared to navigate those storms. That's what I do. All right. I don't have a subscription, so don't ask me, don't email me about monthly. I don't do that. It's a one-time payment. And it's a lifetime deal. There's no, monthly, yearly, or anything like that. I just don't have time for that. I only want people who are willing to make that type of commitment, because that's what it's going to take to be successful. Last thing, my book is finally coming out. The first 90 days of trading. We've got the pre-order special. Finally got caught up with the workbooks for the Trader Mindset series. So this is coming out again. Once I get the shipment in, the price is going up, and that'll be it. So you can check it out, averagejoetrader.org. You can order it there. So looking at PANW, this was the earnings trade we took last night, and there was some question about why I traded it the way I did. And if you've been around a while, I will trade reversals on earnings, especially when we get one that has taken up the whole earnings move. Now, when we looked at this, we looked at all of the levels where the big put buying was set. it took out all of those. First candle, it took out everything. This is about almost a $30 move. Okay, you don't normally see that. We usually have about $10 or so left that we could make some money on. We didn't have that here. So what I did, it looked like we were bouncing here on these levels, so I bought it, looking for the reversal back to the 9, then the 20, then the 50 is kind of what I was looking at. We did get a pullback, but we did not confirm losing this level. This closed below it, but this candle never did take out the low. This is how close I was to stopping out and just waiting to flip it back short if it was going to keep going. This did not confirm. This candle didn't make a lower low, so I added. And I took profit here at the 9, took profit here at the 20, was looking for the 50, but we couldn't get it. Now, I made a major mistake last night. I did not get a chance to take this off. The rule is, if we're long and we're under the 50-day going into the close of aftermarket, we take the trade off. We do not hold it overnight. I took off, went to dinner with my daughter and her partner and my wife. It took too long. By the time we got back, it was after 8 o'clock. I couldn't get out. So that 100 shares is what you're gonna see. But this is not the rule. Okay, this is not really the rule that you want to follow. I mean, this is not what you want to do. Is breaking that rule here. So now we're gonna fast forward to this morning. Hold on, we're still trading Netflix here, unfortunately. Still trying to wait for this garbage to come out. But let's go to PANW. This is where I bailed out. Right here is where I bailed out because look, we were selling off. We were starting to trend down. So at the open, when we took out the pre-market low right here and we took out that daily level, I went short, looking for it to get through 234 down to this 233.81 level, see what we could do there. It never made it. It reversed and this thing started ripping. So it took me out. It broke trend, it took me out, and then I flipped it long and ended up getting a base hit here and then stopping out. This is before break even, but once we came back, I just took it off. And you can see where we are now. It's just kind of trading sideways. I don't have any skin in the game there. ENPH got nailed on it too. Bought here and it pushed up and then the bottom fell out. And once we lost the pre-market low, I had to bail out. I flipped it short. Got profit here, stopped out here, got short again. Profit here, I'm still short a couple of hundred shares. Waiting for it to take out. Waiting for it to take this out. It's just kind of inching its way down, So we'll see. Now, if it reclaims the 20, I'm going to bail out of it. Meaning if it closes above the 20 and then the next candle makes a higher high, I'm bailing out. You can see the momentum shifting. You can see how the 9 is starting to curl up. The 20 is starting to curl up a little bit. The 50 is slowing down. The only thing that's still angled down is the VWAP, but not really concerned about it. So if we take out and reclaim the 20 here, then I'm bailing out of this trade. Netflix. Here I got in Netflix on the breakout. This was the stock I was looking for earlier today at the open, but it sold off because we were wide open up here. So the minute we confirm taking out the pre-market high, get in, and then it sells back off. But we're kind of holding support here. We bounce, we make a lower high, we pull back. If we made a lower low, I was out. We didn't make a lower low. We bounced off of support here again. So once we reclaimed and confirmed reclaiming the pre-market high, and we made a new high relative to this bounce, I added to my position. Now, yeah, I could have bailed out up here for a little profit, but the stock is still in play. I'm not looking to just bail out. I'm giving this stock a chance to work. If it does fail, I can get out of it, and I'll get out of it for less than a loss than I would have had had I not added. But still, this is still in play. We're during the lunchtime hours, so got to give it time to work. And so, some of these stocks have been acting a little crazy, a little funky today. That's fine. The market was really strong yesterday. We had some big moves. It's okay if we get a rest day here. We get these big moves, and then we get a rest day or two. We get another big move. This could be another rest day. We don't know. But if the market picks up and buyers come in after lunch, I'm in good shape. I'm in really good shape here. So that's our recap for this morning. We'll see if we have any earnings. We've done pretty good on earnings, and maybe that will really solidify our day. But just like I said before, days aren't perfect. These days are not perfect. They're gonna be days, they're gonna be challenging days, but I'm not gonna change what I do. I'm gonna be steadfast. I'm gonna be consistent as I go through the storms. Because when you start changing stuff up and start to navigate around it and try to ignore it, you're missing out on learning opportunities, and you're basically ensuring yourself that you're gonna get lost and you can lose. So that's what I got for you today. I hope you guys, I'm gonna go grab some lunch. I hope you guys enjoy your lunch, and I will catch you a little bit later.